The first most important thing is to put the fuse back in that I took out, because without that nothing will work, and I think I haven't fixed it. Now we've got two wires here, so we'll do the 230 volt connection down here. Let's see if I can get in. You won't be able to see a bit better. I don't know if you can actually see where I am here. Not really. I'll move you around a little bit. So we get one on there, one on there, nice and tight. There we are. That's them in there. This green one, well, this is just the earth strip, so any one of those will do. And these are earth wires for other things that need earthing, you know. One in there, one in there, that in there, that there. In case you're wondering and haven't worked it out yourselves, the bunch of wires here go to the fridge control panel, mostly at the top. Now there is one set to go to a thermistor inside, but most of it just goes up to the little LCD display and the buttons on the front of the fridge. Right. Something like that. That goes up there. Do up then that over here a little bit. Just so it's sort of gripping it a bit. And it's going to go in there and in there. Get it nice. The job is done. Well, with the exception of put the tie wrap round over there. The screw I took out earlier, I knew it's working on gas because, well, let's face it, the gas isn't connected, so it just won't happen. Things first, I'll just connect the right way round, of course, the 12 volts, and again the right way round the mains. So they are connected there. Can you see the display? I don't know, but I'm going to turn on. We've got auto, it just tests everything. All the lights go out. It says I have electric. That's mains electric. And it says no error. Well, I don't know if it's working yet because, well, you can't tell, can you? Here's another little thing I did. Over here, that's a sensor. This is a little bit of conduit and another homemade podgy jobby. There's another sensor in there which you may just be able to see stuck on the top of the freezer compartment. Again, wires here, goes up through a hole up here, and I'm going to get it a bit on the slant. So here we are. Button, display, press button, get display. Tells you the temperature inside the fridge. But I can tell you that it's warmer here. So there is heat being generated by the element. There's a question now only of how much. Right, now we have internal temperature 8.3 in the freezer, 18 in the main fridge. Well, I've had the fridge on. I left it on overnight and I finished. and it froze down nicely, and I then turned it off because it's not a good idea to move it, certainly just after turning it off. So it's actually been powered off now for 24 hours. I'm just checking everything's okay here. The puller cable that was laid in when we disassembled, we can just ease the cables in the right direction to start with. It started. May mess up the light a little, but hey ho, the fridge will disappear. I promise I'm not going to chuck it out the door. Right, there we are. That should be enough for me to just be able to get in there and start the cables in the right direction. It may be, anyway, we'll find out. You won't be able to see much because I'll swing this in a little bit. Makes the cable go a little bit closer. Now, there's a little bit of foam that sits over the cables. I think the idea is it stops some of the fresh air from getting into the cabinet. The lapel mic hasn't got a long enough wire. One day I might invest in a Rode radio mic, but at the moment I'm purely a wired guy. Now let's get this sort of lined up. They don't give you any slack here, so first things first, we just get in here and get started. Lift and push with ease. Now, I'm just going to nip outside and check. It's coming in quite nicely. But I'm going to have to pull the wires now because one of them's getting a bit caught underneath the unit. So I pull gently on there while lifting the back of the fridge up. Should go in about another 6 inches. Get out a little bit because the gasket one is caught on a shield at the top. Isn't it always the way when you've got the last little bit to do? Ease it up. Chuck these underneath because I can't use these anymore. Wonderful though they are, they're going to be chucked out of the way, aren't they? As we slide the fridge in the last little bit over here. Because I found that to ease this in, the easiest way is to encourage the bottom end first. Now the bottom should go a bit more. Check the tape this side, that's alright, I think. I'll just give that a little bit more of an ease. There we go. We've got another piece of wood. Can I squeeze that in there? Yes. Be gentle because in there. One thing you want to do is not go too far. Get past the wood until I can get the first bit, whatever the first bit is, and I think it's going to be this bit here. When that gets to where I want it, I'll put a screw in before I bring the rest in. If you go too far, it's hard to get it back out again, which is why I want to, the first bit that's in position will have its screw reattached. So back with a bit of wood. Now it's not close enough, so fold that in that way and ease there. That is just about where I want it. Well, if it's out at all, it's not by a lot. So got to reconnect the cables, obviously. Well, there we are, miraculously tidy and looking as it should do. Well, I haven't cleaned the oven. I don't know if you can see that, but we won't look in that direction. I also can't see whether you can see the gas indicator. Currently I've got the fridge running on gas. I shall move you a little closer, and it's running auto on gas. I doubt that you can see that, but maybe. So I'm going into the cupboard where the electrics are, and I'm going to turn the electric supply on. That's the main supply to the fridge. It should notice straight away, and it has that. It has now got mains electric. It's turned on the mains electric heating element. I'm just waiting the requisite amount of time. Make sure it doesn't error, which it was doing before. If you remember right at the beginning, it gave us an error 1 at this point. So I can tell you it's not errored. This is where I found a PDF document listing all the errors of this type of fridge. Worth a look if you have a similar fridge to us.